Hello and hi, it's English in a minute. Today we'll look at the phrase bird brain. Acting foolishly, making stupid decisions, or even being a stupid person could be the reason for you being a bird brain. For example, my brother is such a bird brain, he can't even use a smartphone.
Lisa, what do you think about this yellow shirt? I just bought it online.
Oh my god, V! It's so pretty. How much was it?
500,000.
Whoa.
Well, actually the owner offered me two kind of dresses which are kind of the same.
Yeah.
The one cost 300,000 with 50,000 delivery.
Yeah.
And the other is 500,000 with free shipping. This one, 500,000 Vietnam dong.
V, you're kind of a bird brain. I mean, 300 plus 50 for shipping and then 500 with no shipping? Come on, are you being serious?
Yeah, you are right.
Remember, today's phrase is bird brain, which means that you're being stupid, foolish, or making silly decisions. That's it for now. Goodbye!